What's up guys, my name is Axmist, and in this video I'm going to show you how to script a WM script. So let's say you wanted to get up on this wall, but it's just way too high, and for that to get up on the wall you will need a WM script. It's really cool, and yeah, make sure to watch the entire video to find out how to script it, because I'm going to explain it throughout the video. So yeah, without further ado, let's get right into it. So the first thing we want to do is open up the game where we want to add the WM to. I'm just going to open up a new base plate, and then you want to add a local script to start your character scripts. In this script we're just going to start off by making some variables. So local character equals script dot parent local humanoid is equal to character wait for child humanoid, and then we're gonna make some other variables. Has double jumped is equal to false, and local last jump is equal to tick. Tick is just the current time. You can just see it as the current time. Okay, so that's gonna be used for later on in the video. What you want to do then is make a function. So local function jump request. I got this from the dev forums, by the way. I'm not gonna credit it. It's a really useful method to check whenever the player is trying to jump and not when they actually jump, because we want to know when they are trying to jump, so we can add a double jump. And then we just want to connect that function to user input service. So actually we're gonna add that as a variable up here too. Local user input service equals game get service user input service. And then what you want to do is just connect the function to when the player is trying to jump. So user input service dot jump request connect jump request. There we go, and yeah, just like that. And then what you're gonna do is just type like so: if tick minus last jump is bigger or equal to 0.2, then so it checks if it was more than 1.2 seconds ago you jumped, because if it's less, then the double jump is just gonna look really weird if you spam it instantly. And I tried some different delays, and 0.2 was the best one in my opinion. Then what you're gonna do is make another if statement. So if humanoid get state, so it's getting the humanoid state, is equal to humanoid's state type free fall. So it checks if it's if the humanoid is falling, so you can't double jump when you just stand still, and not double jumped then. So it checks if you have not double jumped yet, because if you have, then of course you should not be able to double jump again. Then it would be triple jump or whatever, So, and then you want to do then what you want to do is set double jump to true, has double jump true, because what we're gonna do here is make the double jump. So the rest is pretty easy. Just humanoid change state humanoid state type that jumping. So that will just make the humanoid jump, the player jump, even though it's in the air, and it doesn't matter. And yeah, that's it for this event, and function. Then we want to do humanoid dot state changed connect function. So whenever the humanoid state is changed, then this function is gonna run. So then one is to add some parameters here, the old state and the new state. You just have to add the old state because the new state is the second parameter. That works. And then if new is equal to enum that humanoid state type landed, then has wmp is gonna equal to false, because that means that the humanoid has landed, so the player has landed on the ground, and then the player should be able to wmp again. Yeah. And then you wanna do another if statement right here. So enum dot humanoid state type. Humanoid state type is equal to jumping. Then last jump is equal to tick. So that just sets the last jump. So yeah, as you see here, we want to be in more than 0.2 seconds since the last jump, since you last jumped. And now if we run the code, it should work. Yeah, see, that works perfectly fine. We double jump, we jump once and then jump again, even though we're in the air and we can't. You can hear my spacebar. We can't jump more than once, so everything works. It's great. Now, as you can see, it kind of looks weird because there's no really animation, or it's whatever. You don't need an animation, but I was gonna show how to make animations because I feel like some people are gonna wonder how you would go on about making an animation. So I'm just gonna show you. So first thing I'm gonna do is just build a rig. So just build a block rig or R6 depending on what kind of animation you're going for. And then you open up animation editor. I believe it's installed by default now. Maybe it has always been, I don't know. But anyways, I think it has been. Anyways, just name the animation, I don't know, flip. And then you want to set the animation priority to action. That just makes it overlap any other animation that could be running at the same time, like the free fall animation, for example. So it will overlap that animation. And then you just want to do that so it has a keyframe there where the lower torso is just at its normal position. And then you want to, I don't know, I'm just gonna another keyframe there. Yeah, sure. And then we're just gonna repeat the process. We gotta do 90 degrees for each time stamp, a time keyframe. I don't know what they're called because otherwise it would just do nothing. So yeah, there we go. Now let's just check this out. It's a very basic flip animation. I'm just gonna add some more detail to it real quick. So yeah. And then when you have done the animation, you can save it, and then you want to export it. So you just do export, click export, and then you can change the title to whatever you want, add a description if you want to. And then this is the important part: the creator of the animation has to be the same creator as the creator for the game. So yeah, it's me, because I created this base plate. So yeah, and then click submit, and you'll get an ID, and you can just click on that symbol right there to copy it. You see ID copied, and then you can just click close. And yeah, now you have the animation, so you can just make an animation there and just paste the animation ID, and you will get this kind of animation link, or whatever you want to call it. And then you just want to go into the script and just add here local animation equals instance.new animation. And then you can do animation. The animation ID is equal to the ID of the animation you just made. I just want to copy earlier. And then animation.parent is equal to, you can do whatever. I'm just gonna do character. Actually, no, you don't have to set a parent. That's the thing. And then you just wanna do local flip animation, I can name it flip anim, is equal to humanoid load animation animation. So that's how you load an animation onto the humanoid. So you can just do play, so flip animation, play, play, and yeah, that's everything. So now we can check the animation out, just check if it works. Yeah, it works just fine. So now, as you can see, I would not be able to jump on this dummy if I did not have double jump. But yeah, if I double jump, I can get up there easily. So yeah, that's a quick tutorial on how to make double jump. If you have any bugs, if you're having any troubles with following along the tutorial, then feel free to leave a comment in the description. I read all of them. So yeah, if you have any video suggestions, you can also leave them in the comment section. And also, I'm gonna leave my Discord link in the description, so you never miss an upload. You get notified if you join it. I mean, you can turn on notification if you want to, but yeah, my Discord is in the description. If you enjoyed the video, then like and consider subscribing, and yeah, I see you in the next one. Peace.